Greetings, lovelies. Welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you all so much for the love and support. How about some delicious, tasty, mouth-watering cornmeal pudding? Straight from Sister J's kitchen.
Anything at all where she cook finger licking. Nice like rice and peas and chicken. Nothing at all no left back in the dishes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Sometimes by the water say fishing. Other times in our backyard garden. Eat where you grow, healthy way for living. Do the vlog, cook the food, use the fruits, make the juice, and she still have bake sweet pastries for the toad. Sister Jane, your cuisine at the truth.
So for this recipe, we're going to need some cornmeal, of course, because that's the star of the show, followed by some butter, nutmeg, cinnamon, flour, grated coconut, some brown sugar. Over here I have white sugar, and here I have coconut milk. Right there, rose water and vanilla. Here I have a bowl, and I'm adding the sugar. And this sugar, I have the white sugar mixed with some powdered sugar. I'm adding the cinnamon along with the nutmeg. Now I'm adding the coconut milk. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix this and combine. Now I'm adding some vanilla followed by the rose water. Mix this up. Over here I have a container, so I'm going to add 2 cups of cornmeal to the sieve along with 3/4 cup of flour, and I'm just going to go ahead and sieve them. Here I have some brown sugar, and I'm going to mix this with the remaining of the coconut milk for the topping. So now I'm adding the coconut flakes to the cornmeal and flour, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix this in. So now I'm going to add the dry liquid to the wet liquid and mix and get everything incorporated. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, now is the best time to do so. Hit that red subscription button and put that post notification bell on so you'll be notified of future upload. So I'm just adding the remaining of the dry mixture to the wet mixture, and I'm gonna mix this all out nicely. If you'd like to order your Christmas fruit cake, you can call me at 240-936-0459. Thank you so much for your support. So now I have the remaining of the coconut milk mixture here. I'm adding the brown sugar to it, and this is for the topping. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix this and set this aside. So I'm adding the butter on top. Yes. So I have my grease pan over here. And now I'm adding the pudding mixture to it. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven for 45 minutes to 1 hour. I have my oven already preheat at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is going to bake for 45 minutes to 1 hour. After 45 minutes, this is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and pour the topping on top. So this is the coconut, cinnamon, nutmeg, and butter mixture. And I'm going to put back this in the oven for another 25 to 30 minutes. Thank you all so much for the love and support. So guys, this is what my cornmeal pudding looks like. And if you love cornmeal pudding like me, you can grab a piece, top it all off with a glass of milk or any beverage of your choice. I'm just going to let it cool a little. Then I'm going to open the pan at the side so the pudding can come out. So now I'm opening the pan. So this is what the pudding looks like. Look at those edges. Yes, I'm going to go ahead and cut this, and I can't wait to devour. Look at my cornmeal pudding. I thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, oh yeah, wait pan, just go ahead man, do the do. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more from Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine. We talk about food. I eat food, and of course, I cook food. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself.
Mm, mm, Sister J, Caribbean cuisine, best foods, best foods.